Digital imaging technology. The technology of digital photography, both still and motion picture, evolved rapidly in the last decades of 20th century. Along the same time, there have also been fast transformations in data storage techniques. The reach and speed of internet has also speeded up many folds in last few years, and that facilitated the digital mode of filmmaking and distribution. The first partially digital film came in 90s. Blair Witch Project was an important film in this regard. It was a low budget film made by independent filmmakers. It combined traditional film footage with digital footage to tell the story. The film was a success and was instrumental in pushing forward the idea of use of digital video in cinema. This was a significant breakthrough considering the fact that at that time the quality of digital video was visibly inferior to that of traditional film. Soon after, Lars von Trier, an important filmmaker from Europe, came up with Dancer in the Dark, which was shot completely on a very lightweight digital camera. By the time we were in 21st century, the digital imaging technology was sufficiently developed to handle the entire workflow of film production. However, the quality of digital image kept the debate of film versus digital on for a few more years. In the initial stage, the quality of these visuals was not comparable to film which was projected on big screens. The low-cost digital video had brought down the budget of television producers and had enabled independent filmmakers. But the technical quality of this content was only suitable for screening on small television monitors. The big screen was still a preserve of the film, which has a superior picture quality and better capability to handle contrast. Gradual improvement in the quality of digital image also coincided with it becoming more cost effective. First decade of 21st century was time when new and better cameras were introduced every year, and each model was also bringing price barrier downwards. Filming digitally, cameras and quality. As the digital cameras evolved and became capable of delivering an image which was good enough for projection on large screens, filmmakers had to take note. The first major impact of digital technology was felt when digital cameras made inroads into broadcast stations as well as in the home video segment. These cameras offered good quality at much lower prices, but above all, the footage that they generated could be edited directly on the computer-based non-linear editing systems. The integration of acquisition and editing technology on digital platform brought down several barriers. The cost of shooting and editing equipment was so much cheaper to its predecessors that video production got liberated from the expensive studios of big production houses and found spaces in small studios of independent filmmakers. The shattering of cost barrier made it possible for content creators to make films without any restrictions imposed by the big businesses and government diktats. They could work independently and explore new avenues of content as well as form. Nowadays, brands like Red, Sony and Blackmagic are producing different kinds of cameras for various segments of filmmakers. One of the oldest camera manufacturers, Arri, has maintained its dominance in the imaging department of cinema with its series of Arri Alexa series cameras, which are digital versions of its older film cameras. Besides the high-end digital cameras used by the filmmakers who have large budgets at their disposal, there are several models available at lower costs. One big change came when still cameras began to offer feature of video recording. The DSLR and other video cameras came up with this feature about 10 years ago in a big way. With subsequent models, the quality of image improved to such an extent that even professional filmmakers started using these cameras. These multi-purpose cameras allow for use of different lenses also. They have proved to be a boon for the filmmakers who are working on a limited budget. Several filmmakers working in remote areas and in regional languages have very small budgets and a small audience. They have been able to tell their stories using these cameras. This would not have been possible when high costs of cameras, film stock and other filmmaking facilities used to ensure that filmmaking remained in the hands of a few. In our own country, Films are being made in Ladakhi, Pahari and Mizo languages. These films bring stories from these cultures to the foreground. The quality of visual was just one of the barriers. The big screen, which also represented the big business and high financial stakes of cinema, was not equipped to project the digital image. Cinema halls all over the world were equipped with projectors which used film print for screening. The projectors were an expensive investment into a cinema hall's infrastructure. If a filmmaker had made a film using digital technology and ignoring the shortcomings of its visual quality, he would still have to convert the final product to film for it to be screened on large screens. The cost of conversion to film format were so high that it would offset the savings made through the use of digital platform for production. Exhibition of cinema. The dependence of film distribution and projection system on the film format was a big barrier in popularization of digital technology in cinema. The quality of digital cameras improved gradually and the image became good enough for large screen projections. However, the industry needed more rigorous innovation and evolution to bring in digital projection system into cinema halls. Over the years, cinema halls were motivated to install digital projection systems. These systems could project a digital audiovisual content. The cost of print of each digital film is much lower than a film print, and that worked as an important and decisive factor in switching to digital projection systems. The digital prints also reduce the bulk. A digital print is carried in a hard drive which is much lighter than a film print. A digital print can also be transmitted through internet or a satellite link. These prints can be as high resolution as 4K or 8K. However, right now, most of the screenings are on 2K resolution, which gives good enough projection quality. The use of digital prints gives more ways to mitigate the possibility of piracy. The evolution of a system of digitally distributing and projecting a film was a big enabler for filmmakers who wanted to switch to digital technology. With these developments, the entire workflow of filmmaking had become digital. By now, other departments were already working on the digital mode. Script writing. The script writing is now being done on software and drafts are shared online with collaborators, producers and crew. The screenwriting software also enables the production crews to chart out schedules and assess their production requirements.